Unexpected moments in the draft over the course of the last few years. Let's see if he has another trick up his sleeve. Here comes Roger Goodell.
With the 17th pick in the 2021 NFL Draft, the Las Vegas Raiders select Alex Leatherwood, tackle, Alabama.
A stunned silence has fallen over our set. Alex Leatherwood, another Alabama player. Hey, the celebration is on, and congratulations to him and his family. He won the 2020 Outland Trophy. He played both inside and outside at Bama during his career. Mel, I'll start with you. What is your reaction here?
Shocked. But Gruden and Mayock like to do that to us a little bit. But Alex Leatherwood, I thought maybe could be a mid to late, too. Lou and I had talked a lot about it. I think he's a guard. He's not a left tackle, maybe a right tackle. Now, they have a left tackle, a real good one, and Colton Miller. They could obviously use a right tackle and a guard. That's Alex Leatherwood, but I watched him at Alabama. I think Mac Jones saved some sacks, saved some hurries because of getting the ball out, recognizing, processing, and getting the ball out quickly before he could get sacked or hurried. Leatherwood, to me, I came in with a high grade. He played an awful lot of football at Alabama. I think inside at guard, I don't hate the pick for that reason, Lou, but as a left tackle, but they have Colton Miller. So from a team fit, I'm probably okay with it. From a rating standpoint, no way.
Yeah, look, I'll tell you, he has some really good tape. Now, you turn on the Georgia game, you turn on the Florida game, he is absolutely demoing some people. So he has got potential. Now, the Senior Bowl was not very good. It wasn't his best performance. I know there were teams that looked at that performance there and didn't like how it looked, didn't like how he approached that week.